Hey guys, Migs here. Today is going to be the part one of the mini bike build. So far I just unmounted the engine, took off the chain. That's pretty much it. But now I'm gonna sand it. So let's get right into it. So I just finished sanding it down, and you can see all the original colors it was. Looks like it was red, yellow, maybe black, unless that was the original color of the frame. But I didn't really do the rims because I'm gonna be taking off the tires anyway. These looks like these might not be too good anymore. Alright, so now I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna be painting it a gloss apple red. And I'm not gonna be taking off the tires because I'm gonna be taking them off anyway, so it doesn't matter if I get paint on them. And then I'm gonna be painting the rims black and then the engine black. Alright, so this is how it's looking so far. I didn't bother painting here because that's where the seat's going, and then a little bit there because that's where the engine's gonna be right over it. But I got paint on the tires, but it doesn't really matter because these ones are shot. But I'm gonna let this dry and then go under it. All right, so while the frame is drying, I figured I'll show you guys the engine. I took off the gas tank because it is just filthy, so I degreased it. The cylinder head, I can't get off the spark plug, but because it's fried. But I checked everything in here, it's all good. The valves are good. Like the walls in here are good, brackets good, everything's pretty good. But I tried to figure out if this was even gonna spark, like if I had to get a whole new coil. So this is kind of stupid to me, so don't try this. But when this was on right there, I attached that to the spark plug like it's supposed to. But I touched that and then pulled it, and it shocked me. So even though that was really stupid, now I know that the coil's good, and then it was just the spark plug that was causing the problem. Alright, so I just finished painting the bottom, and this looks really good. I fixed up, just some finishing touches I need, but yeah. Alright, so next video will probably be the part 2 of probably trying to get the engine started. So yeah, I think it looks amazing for my type of paint job. I think it looks pretty good. But if you guys enjoyed, please like this video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.